What if Mitsubishi completely transformed the next Triton into a full-blown Ralliart monster? This 2027 Mitsubishi Triton Ralliart concept looks absolutely insane, blending hardcore off-road styling with futuristic performance truck design. Starting from the front, the truck gets a massive blacked-out grille with bold Triton lettering, ultra-slim LED daytime running lights, and an aggressive bumper packed with rally-inspired LED lighting. The yellow recovery hooks and oversized skid-style details make it look ready for extreme off-road action at any moment. From the side, the wide riveted fender flares instantly make the truck look tougher and wider than a standard Triton. The oversized off-road wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires, combined with the yellow accent Ralliart graphics, create a strong Dakar racing vibe that Mitsubishi fans would absolutely love. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights look rugged and futuristic, while the custom sports bar with glowing red lighting gives the truck an almost cyberpunk-style nighttime appearance. Overall, this concept feels like the perfect mix between a rally machine, a futuristic adventure truck, and a street-focused performance pickup. Now imagine if Mitsubishi actually released a factory Ralliart version that looked this aggressive. Could it finally challenge the Ford Ranger Raptor and Toyota Hilux GR Sport? Let me know what you think.